So we have this space race that's happening right now in the United States. It's no longer against the Soviet Union and the United States as far as a space race. It is now private companies within the United States that are trying to exert dominance in not only lifting off the rockets into space and putting satellites into space, but also carrying astronauts. And this is actually a big development this week. Richard Branson, who is the owner and the founder of Virgin Galactic, was on board one of his own spaceships, and he was able to go into space himself. So basically, the mothership, which is the White Knight, carried the space plane, which is SpaceShipTwo, up to 50,000 feet in the atmosphere, dropped that space plane, it fired its engines, it went into space, and then Mr. Richard Branson taped this video message for you to hear. Be sure to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so that we can send you a message when we post more content.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do. Hey!